going out. Look at them. Power lines. I'm getting every power line out.
This is cool.
Oh, your boat's...
Is that a boat?
It's very rough.
Shit's gonna
Here it
happen.
comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Here it comes. It's right out here. All the electricity, all the power lines are going. I'm 10 feet from it. I'm 10 feet from it. It is incredible. It's coming across the lake right now.
What do you hear about it? See right here. I think you can come right here.
You saw all the power lines going out. Here it is.
I'll try to watch out.
Here it is. It's going right out across. You can see the stuff flying.
Right across.
You can see the stuff flying.
What bay is it?
Look at this. Look at it.
Oh! Yeah!
You can see it.
Right out here. You can see it for yourself.
You can see it. It is totally incredible.
This is so sweet.
See if I get a little more. It's coming up behind me.
Oh!
Get a little wet.
Time to go inside now, guys.
We'll film from the inside. We're filming. We're filming.
Get right there. Don't stand by the windows.
Where's John?
Right there.
It's just totally incredible. It's right outside.
Oh, there goes Bob's boat.
Oh, I hope not.
Whoa, look at that shit.
Get away from the windows. Get away from the windows. Tree just blew over.
Bob, look at that tree over there.
Look at the top. Get away from the windows. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Get away.
Get away. Where's everybody? Where's everybody? Where is everybody?
Oh my God.
Are you guys okay? The windows are totally blown out. The trees.
The docks are broken.
The docks are
Oh,
broken.
there goes our boat.
boat's upside
Our boat's gone. Our boat's upside down. Our boat's upside down.
Yeah.
Where's our dog? Our dog. Where's our wiener dog?
Okay, that was it. It's devastating. It's devastating.